one of the things I'm proud of is journeying with a group of young adults or young people who were at school and then came through as young adults as part of our young adult community, and seeing them go through university and work and relationships and traveling, all that stuff, and seeing them become adults today who are agents of change in all their different spaces, witnessing young people grow into who they are and becoming adults, and how they contribute and how they share their gift in the world. We've certainly seen lots of young people who may have not been seen or heard have opportunities here and their voices be heard. Often those young people in schools who are sometimes not noticed or maybe seen as awkward, they end up being like the coolest adults, and they end up being the people who do amazing things in our communities. And so yeah, I think it's been really cool to witness that and see young people just really embrace who they are, and like particularly if they are different. But what is different? We're all different, like just celebrating the diversity.